Hi guys, today we're going to get our bird that we are adopting. The kids don't know that we're bringing the bird home today. So they think that we're going to just go see the bird today because we've been doing that for the past 2 weeks. We've been going there and bonding with him. So they think it's just another regular day. We're going there and bonding and leaving him there and coming home. But they don't know we're going to bring him home today. He's a golden blue macaw rescue bird. We are adopting him, and as far as I know, he had been in a previously abusive home. I'm not sure how that was, but his wings are basically broken into place. He doesn't fly. That's why we named him Blue, because of I don't know if you remember the video, the movie Rio, who had that blue macaw, whose name was Blue also, because he didn't fly, he only walked. So that's why we named our bird Blue, because he can only walk. So let's see how the kids reacted. Let's go. Hey guys, are you guys ready to go see Blue?
Yeah.
Are you ready to go see Blue, Bella?
Yeah, I love blue.
Yay! How many days do you think we were gonna bring Blue home? And how many?
6.
6 days?
Yeah.
Wow.
6.
Are you excited? It's only 6 days? Yeah? 6 days? How many days, Maya? 6 days for Blue to come home? Yay! In 6 days, Blue's gonna come home.
I thought you said it was gonna be like the day after tomorrow. Tomorrow.
The day after tomorrow? But we were waiting on the cage. The cage didn't come yet, so we have to have the cage before he comes home. But it's only 6 days for you.
Yeah, I already had to wait like 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Oh.
But still.
But we're going to visit him a lot, so we're going there almost every day to visit him. But it's okay. 6 days more is not. I mean, you've waited 2 weeks already. Say bye bye. Let's go see Blue.
Bye bye.
Okay, we arrived at Parrot Planet, and Blue is inside there. So let's go and get Blue.
Shad will finally get a parrot.
Okay, Maya, let's go in.
Mama, I see it drop the baby mouse.
You. All right, Maya, open the door.
So we're just
All right, here we are. Oh, somebody just let the door on me. That's not our Blue, but that's Chloe right there. And I think Rico's getting Blue back there. Hi, birdie. Yeah, Parrot Planet in Sacramento, California is the best place to get your bird. I love it here. They're really nice, very friendly, and they have all kinds of different birds. This is a baby toucan over here. Hi, baby. And we have all kinds over here. Most of these birds are rescue birds. Yes.
And Blue is coming out right now. She's right there.
Hey, there's Blue. Hello, Blue. Hi, Baba. Hi.
Shad holding.
Hi.
Shad already with a blue parrot.
Hi,
You want to say hi to Blue?
Hi, Blue.
You want to give Blue?
Guys, smile like you love Blue.
Yes. You want to give Blue a kiss? He's really
Let the
friendly.
camera give him a kiss.
Not so close to his face, please.
Hey, Mom.
He still gets scared. He makes a sound when you touch a certain part of his body. Right, Blue?
Here.
Yeah? Okay.
Hold it.
This is our parrot. We're gonna get him soon. His name is Blue. Hi, Blue.
He's really friendly.
Very, very friendly. He got used to us. Blue. Oh, come on, Blue. I really want to post this on YouTube. It's too cute.
What?
Post The Shadow family is getting a parrot, or at least that's what I call them.
Hi, Blue. Hi, Papa.
Hope I don't accidentally stop recording on this thing. Hi, Blue.
He's a sweetheart.
Blue.
Say hi, Blue. Hi, Blue. You want to take him? You want to take him?
Oh, wait, let me go.
Peter, you don't really need that, you know.
I don't want him pooping on me.
It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry. You can just wash your shirt. He wants to go on my shoulder. Look at that.
He always looks.
He doesn't have very good balance, so he uses his beak to kind of climb. Hi,
Oh,
Blue.
he said hi.
Yes. Hi, Blue. Here, Rico, do you want to take him? Because I need to sign the paper over there. Yeah. Woo, woo, woo. Yeah, just help him keep his balance, okay? Don't walk too fast because remember he can't fly or anything. Okay, guys. Mommy's making this video to let you guys know that we are taking Blue home today, right now.
Wait, what?
No, we're not.
We're taking Blue right now. Yes, we are.
No, we're not.
Yes.
We're getting in 6 days.
No, he's going home right now. That's why Mom is making the video.
No, he's not. What?
Yes.
No.
Yes, we're taking Blue right now.
No, we're not.
Yeah, I am serious.
You're serious?
Yes, I am
No,
serious.
you're not.
I am.
Nope.
You're serious.
I am.
Nope. We're getting in 6 days.
No, wait, you're serious.
Yes.
Oh
She's
my
not.
God.
No, Mom, you're not. You're lying.
I am. I'm serious. Why would I be lying?
Yes.
We are not getting today. We're getting in 6 days.
No, we're getting
We're
Blue.
getting him today.
See?
Yes.
Are you happy about that?
Yes, I am.
No, we're not. You're liars.
Look, that's why we prepared everything.
Wait, Mom, I taking him home because of this. You said no.
I was trying to get everything ready without you knowing. Yay,
That
Blue.
way you signed the stuff.
Yes.
This
Yes.
is not fun. Wow.
Okay, Blue, let's go
Mommy,
home.
you're tricking us.
No, he's going
Yes,
home.
you are. He's going in 6 days.